on social media doesn't work, no matter what the experts say. Use pictures, no video. Use hashtags and blog. Be authentic. Speak to your audience. Follow people. Like, click, comment, share. Stop. Just stop. Stop trying to figure out what to post. Stop the random Instagramming, Facebooking, and tweeting. Stop throwing away your time, your money, and your voice. Your business isn't an algorithm. It's not about tips or tricks. So why treat your social media that way? It's time to show who you are, what makes your business tick, and why it matters to your client, with a few snaps of fun and flair. That's what we help you do. We're the Social Ginger. We help bring your brand and your business to life through social media marketing so that you can build your business, exceed your goals, and find clients who are excited to work with you. Stop treating your social media like an overwhelming afterthought and invest in showing up like it's your business. Because it is.